blew my hair out just so I can get it to go up in a ponytail so I can wear a turban. Because when my hair is in the puff fro state, it ain't moving nowhere. I gotta blow it out just so it can go up in a ponytail. So yeah, all of that just so I can wear a turban. But you wanna know if this thing works? It works. It get real hot too. It was smoky in here. Yeah, this works, honey. I like this. I don't need the blow dry no more. I used to always get the blow dries with the combs, and the combs used to break, the teeth used to break, and then I'm trying to buy replacement combs to go with the blow dryer because I didn't want to buy another blow dryer because I already had 2 of them. And then I was like, let me go on and get this thing. You know, I order anything. Not anything, but stuff that look good, look like it's gonna actually help. And this does.